Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about neural networks. So what are neural networks? Neural networks represents a very basic level to imitate the non-linear learning that occurs in the networks of neuron that are found in nature, such as in a human brain. Neuron from human brain uses dendrites to gather the inputs from other neurons and combines the input information, generating a non-linear response. When some threshold is reached, which it sends to other neurons using axon, an artificial neuron model used in most neural networks. The input xi are collected from the upstream neurons or the dataset and combined through the combination function such as summation, which is then input into a usually non-linear activation function to produce an output Y, which may be channeled downstream to other neurons. As you can see in this picture, that it is a neural network which has hidden layer, output layer, input layer, and the neurons are there in this. The neural network consists of layered feed-forward, completely connected network of artificial neurons or nodes. The feed-forward nature of the neuron restricts the network to a single direction or of flow and does not allow looping or cycling. Most network consist of three layers: an input layer, hidden layer, and an output layer. There may be more than one hidden layer, although most network consist only one, which is sufficient for most purposes. The neural network is completely connected, meaning that every node in a given layer is connected to every node in adjoining layer, although not the other nodes in the same layer, which each connection between nodes has a weight associated with it. At initialization, these weights are randomly assigned to values between 0 and 1. The structure of neural network is as follows. It is a typical structure of neuron that is consist of input layer that represents the feature of the datasets, number of nodes is equal to number of input features, hidden layer, intermediate layer between input layer and the output layer. Perform computations by applying weights, bases and activation functions. The number of layers and nodes is user defined. And the third one is output layer. It provides the final prediction. Number of nodes depends on the task. The one node for binary classification, example spam detection, and nodes for multi-class classification, example iris dataset, and one node for regression, example house price prediction. Components of a neural networks. Neural networks consist of weights, bias, and activation functions. Weights determine the importance of connection between nodes. Initially, they are set randomly and are updated during training. Bias term is added to the weighted sum to shift the activation function following pattern learning. Activation function, it transforms the weighted input of a neuron into output. Common activation functions are ReLU, rectified linear unit, sigmoid for binary classification, and softmax for probabilities for multi-class classification. Now let us move to Google Colab and see the demonstration of the application of neural networks in Python. So we are demonstrating neural networks in Python, which has the following steps. Number one is importing necessary libraries. Second is load and prepare the dataset. Third is define the neural model. Fourth is train the model. Fifth is evaluate the model. Sixth is make prediction, and seventh is visualize the training dataset. So in this we have imported the necessary libraries: NumPy, Pandas, sklearn, and TensorFlow. So as you can see in this, now we are loading and preparing the dataset. We are loading the iris dataset for the further neural network model. So as you can see, we have loaded the dataset, and now we will define the neural network model. Here we have used creating a sequential model. Then we are adding an input layer and the first hidden layer. Then we add the second hidden layer, and then add the output layer, 3 output nodes for 3 classes. Then we will compile the model, and we will print the model summary. So let's run this command. So this is the summary of the model which we have trained. Total parameters are 139 and trainable parameters are also 139 and non-trainable parameters are 0. Here we have done this, and we can see layer, output shape and the parameter. Now we are training the model. We can train the model using this model.fit, and here we have training the X train, Y train, and batch size we have given as 8, and validation split is 0.2 and verbose is equal to 1. Now we are evaluating the model. In this we have used this test loss, test accuracy, and we are evaluating the model on this accuracy from X test and Y test. In the sixth step we will make the prediction. We will predict the test set. Here model.predict X test, and when we convert the prediction to class labels. Predicted class is equal to np dot a argument max. Here we have prepared this prediction, and in the last step, which is seventh step, we are visualizing the training results. Here we are using matplotlib .pyplot.as plt for the proper visualization by the plotting. So let's run this. So as you can see, the plot has come. It is just the orange line represents the validation accuracy and the blue line represents the training accuracy. This is the model, this is the plot as you can see here. So thank you everyone, and let's meet in next lecture.